Hello, good morning, guys. Everyone, good morning. How has it been? Hope everybody's doing well. We could not vlog yesterday. They started their holiday already, and I have not figured out how to go around the holiday vlog. But today I'm going to vlog a little. So come along with us, enjoy the day with us. Holiday vlog. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for sharing. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate everyone. I'm so overwhelmed. You know, when you want to do something, I don't even know if 1 or 2 people is going to watch. You are not even sure what the turnout is going to be, but 1, 2, 3, 4 to 10 is a lot for me. Thank you so much, everyone. I really do appreciate. Come along with us and enjoy the day. Don't mind my cap. I've been looking for who to come and make my hair. So thank you so much. Thank you. And enjoy the day with us. See you guys later. Thank you for enjoying our holiday morning routine. I wish I could show you more, but I'm still using my phone, so it's very difficult to go around with the phone and video all. Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching our video. Please, if you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe and support us. See you in another video. Bye.